Welcome. In front of me I have the Boombox X or Boombox 4 from JBL, and I'll be going over unboxing and just a quick look at the speaker itself. So let's just pop it open. Now this is barely fitting here in my little environment that I have, but we do have two seals to cut through, so one and two. Okay, that's warranty card. Okay, there we go. That to the side for now. There was also this at the bottom, so I'm gonna set it right here. These off. And this. And holy crap, that is a chonkers. Wow. That's big. Again, that's what she said. So there is the speaker. Now on camera it doesn't look that impressive or big. There's again more jokes to be made. But let me just bring something as a comparison before I get into the cable. So it's a barrel plug or whatever you want to call it. And paperwork inside, and that's about it. Now, just to bring something to compare it to, I'm gonna show a keyboard. Now this is a one without a numpad, but just like here's the comparison of it. Like this thing is enormous. So yeah, there we go. That's the Boombox 4. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.